Greetings, adventure lovers. We're Roger and Brenda, and Ride Ohio is our passion project where we share our motorcycle experiences. Every mile on the road tells a story.
I love you, babe.
To be your friend, I wanna know if it mattered. I would have gone to war for you. I would have bent the earth in two just to get to our ever after. Something about this has changed.
Yeah,
What are you doing?
trying to get my camera on.
If you need a hand to carry a load,
Yeah,
I'm here to
finally.
let you know you can put that on me. When that old hurricane is starting to blow, you've always got a home where you
What?
can come be.
That was
Because
Billy Ray.
I'm not afraid of a little